What's up, dogs? Okay, right now I'm at the beach and it's really pretty. Let me show you. So basically it's gonna be a beach day. And yeah, so let me take you. You're gonna have to deal with this ugly ass angle for now because there's people behind me and I don't want to record them on accident. But it is so pretty out right now. I don't know how good the audio is, but I'm also stuck in this like permanent country talking stage right now, so just bear with me until I grow out of it. But we gonna take some pictures. I mean some pictures. Let me show y'all what I'm walking on. And it's gonna be a beautiful day. I'm going the wrong way. Okay. So it's summer now and I'm so hyped. I'm gonna become the GOAT and become LeBron James. Cause you already know we gonna get there. I'ma die. What am I meant to, guys? Okay. I had to jump over a scary rock. But it's all good now. I got my selfie stick and we gonna get it on. I can actually hold this up now. Okay, I'll yeah. I don't want to get my family in the recording, so I'm trying to find a place I can help. Oh my god, recording in public is really scary, I'm not gonna lie, but look how pretty! Ah! Yeah! Yippee! But I don't know, let me show you. Yeah, so pretty, so awesome. I'm scared, but it's okay. I'm scared. I don't know what I'm scared of. Just bear with me. It's been a while since I've recorded something, and I feel like it's really loud here. But yes. Okay. I'm putting my life in the hands of this $3 tripod. Whee! Oh my god, don't plug. Okay, I got really scared again. I didn't want to drop my phone. Here, I'll show you what it looked like. Okay, so I don't know, just look at the view. Yeah, so pretty. I don't know if I got those people. I feel bad. Oh shit. It's okay. I'm gonna take some pictures. Okay, y'all, we're gonna make a sand castle right here, and I'm gonna try not to get people in my video. Okay, ready, guys? This is gonna be the best sand castle you've ever seen in your entire life. Okay. Wait, you can't see. Okay, so first, we're gonna scoop sand into this bucket. I don't have a thing, so just bear with me. gonna try my best to make this for y'all. I don't know how well y'all can hear me though. I'm scared. This is scary recording in public. Ah! Okay, so this turned out like ass. We're just gonna make a really big hole instead. I was gonna build a really cool sandcastle, but that ended up not happening. ASMR. Ugh. I don't think the sandcastle is gonna work. It's not gonna work, guys. Sadly. We're gonna build a sandcastle by hand instead, actually. So, yes. Yeah. Oh my god. Okay, so basically this is literally gonna be like the most aura fulfilling castle you have ever seen in your life. Or we can make Patrick's house with the coconut shit, you know? Yeah, we're gonna give Patrick's house a moat. Yo, I've been seeing like these videos where I don't know. I've been seeing some videos. Oh, I get the videos with the filters that people be doing like on YouTube or something. And every time that shit sends me so hard. Dude, I think it's the most funny thing ever. I look like a crazy person talking to my phone right now. I don't like this. This is really scary, guys. I don't know how vloggers be doing this shit, but like, this shit is corny. Corny. Garbage. Yo, it's coming out. It's coming out decent. Flip this back so you can see my sandcastle. And you can kind of see me now. But you probably can't hear me. Guys, trust the process. Trust the process.
No.
Locked in. Wait, I made a mistake. I made the thing too close to the dig hole. Okay, we fixed the hole. There's no more hole now. Okay, we gotta make it look like a landscape. Like I'm landscaping some shit. Carpenter type shit. Okay? Guys, Patrick's house is gonna come through, I swear. Stop moving! Oh my god. That water scared me fucking boneless, bro. look good. This looks so good, right? There's water in my home. It's flooding. It's flooded. Guys, I think the water is gonna flood my home. Pause on that. You know, I kind of feel like those towels right now where it's like beach, love, and sandy feet. Earth. Is that how it goes? I don't know. Something like that. How big should we make Patrick's house? I feel like we should make it like this big. Like that big, guys. I don't think you can see that. Minor mean thing. That shit's been stuck in my head. Heck yeah. Excuse me, guys. So, school is done, and then I'm gonna be a junior next year. And everything is gonna be cupcake and rainbows, I think. Hopefully. Yo, that kid scared me so bad. Oh, y'all didn't see that. I thought it was a tennis ball. Yo, this method, this is the method. Just get a cup, y'all. Because this shit is bomb. Honestly, if there were more people at this beach, I'd be way too scared to record low-key. But it's like empty as fuck. Guys, we're getting there. We're getting there. Bro, this cup is so goated. Holy cow of bonkers. Yo. Come on. Like, I'm too goated at this shit. Like, come on. Bro, should we make like flowers like in the movie and stuff? Can we do that? Yo, I feel like Patrick's house isn't too like top heavy. It's more like wide heavy, if you know what I mean. Like them wide load trucks. Like, I think that's how more so it is. See, guys? It looks great, right? I think. Yes! This shit is turning out awesome. Oh, yes. That's, oh, no. This is coming together. Yes. It's a trust the process, okay? Hey Siri. Hey Siri. I hate you, Siri. Okay. Guys, I'm the goat. Yo, get me in a collab with some of those sand people. Okay. I'll see you guys once I'm done making my castle. Shut up. This is my castle. And then I made this. And then I made a rocket ship. I have to record everything else. And then I made this. And then we made that we're not gonna look at. You gotta eat, guys. Make sure to stay hydrated and eat healthy food. Yes. There's fucking seagulls everywhere. Ah. Okay, guys. I finished eating. I made my little things, my little sand things, and now we are walking. Okay, stop. That did not need that much explanation, but I'm gonna shut up and let you enjoy the view. I also forgot to mention, there's like the edge of like this rock thing I'm walking on right now. And at the end, I'm going to throw this sand ball I have. That's actually low-key like a perfect ass spear. Hold on. I'll show you guys. Yay! Yippee! And I'm kind of proud of myself for it, low-key. But more about my vacation, I guess. We've been here since like, I think like 3 or, no, we've been here since like 4. I don't know what time it is now, but I'll tell y'all when I get to the edge of the thing. I'm not gonna lie, this shit has been fun as freak. Like, I just feel free as a bird, you know? My feet may hurt, but it's not that bad. Just as long as I don't slip in one of these cracks. As long as I don't slip in one of these cracks, I should be fine. I don't know how loud I should be talking. Yo! Yay! Like, I just feel mystical. Like, I don't know, bro. Like, I mean, like, why do my teeth look yellow? Oh. Anyways. No, not that way, you dumb hoe. Okay, so. I almost did just die, but it's okay. Because I'm a goat. A mountain goat. There's a fucking rat at the ocean! I just broke my bone! Oh my god, guys. Help. There was a fucking rat and I got so scared I broke my ball. Luckily not my balls though. That would have been sad. It's just one. But we're almost there. It's taking a while though. That's how far we are. Accidentally ended the thing. So pretty, right guys? Bro, nature is genuinely so beautiful. Like, I don't know why people litter. Like, it's kind of sad, low-key, because like, bro, like, have you seen nature? Like, come on. Like, this, my bro. Nature is just like ethereal type shit. And we're just like man-made type shit. Like, we for real just hoonka-donka and everybody just came on planet Earth. Like, or something like that. There's a Gatorade bottle. Dude, that rat fucking scared me shitless. Boneless. Like a boneless wing from Papa John's. Please don't fall. If these rocks like wiggled a little bit, I would not be walking how I'm walking right now. Also, be safe, y'all. If you go somewhere alone, be safe. Be aware of your surroundings. Don't be on your phone. Well, okay, I'm on my phone, but I'm not looking at my phone, is what I mean. You can have your phone on. Don't play on your phone as you're like crossing the street or some dumb shit. If I catch anybody doing that, that phone is falling out of their hands. Because what are you doing? Okay, we finally made it. Ah! Yes! Oh my god. Oh. Okay, no one's behind me. Thank God. Okay, we're not going on that rock. These rocks are fucking scary as fuck. Why is that balanced like that? Okay, we're gonna take the safe route and go over there. Because I'm not for this fucking video, bro. My ball is falling apart. Fuck. Oh, snickerdoodles. Also, I painted my toes. Don't look at my pale ass feet though. Just worry about my toes. Okay, y'all, we made it. Guys, we freaking made it. Because we're the goats, okay? Okay, wait, hold on. Fuck. Okay. This is how life was meant to be. Aesthetic. Yes. Okay. This is gonna be my wishing sand ball that broke on the way because I got scared by a rat. Okay. I don't know how we're gonna do this though. It is so pretty. I'm kind of stargazing. I need a better angle. Hold on, guys. Guys, wishing sand ball. This is for 2027 to go better than 2026. Okay, guys, ready? We're gonna throw it out this way. That did not happen. Okay, guys, let's head back. I'll see you there. Oh, I am in the hotel. You know, nothing too crazy, but my phone died. But it's okay. But the door is really big. Like really. So I'll see you tomorrow.
Bro, you turn like a fucked up mashed potatoes. Like, you should still be good.
Y'all, I got like an insane tan from this trip. My stomach is finally not like fucking like paper white. It actually is like kind of orange. My feet still white as a bit though. So it'll get better, but yes. And now here's other me. Okay, so like reviewing the footage while I was about to edit, I actually didn't record whenever we went fishing. But it was really fun. It was a really fun trip. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry I didn't record. It's because I was really scared to record in public. Y'all, that shit was so scary. There was no one around me when the times I did record besides my family, but they were watching me record, and it's something that I never thought I would. Yeah, it's kind of like when like you feel a bug on your leg, but there's not a bug that's there, but then like you just keep feeling the bug, and then it's like really a hair. Like that's kind of what it felt like to me. So every time I was like, but other than that, the trip was actually really fun. I was just I didn't record because I was scared to record in public. But thank you, dogs, for watching. And I'm sorry I didn't record. But thank you.